What you doing there, Lauren?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
A potato?
Sweet potato?
Yeah, sweet potato. Here. Just sweet potato.
Did you eat any sweet potato? Or are you just painting with sweet potato?
Baby sweet potato.
She must get that from the Bewley side of the family. Oh my God. What? Ah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You ready to go get in the bathtub?
Bye-bye.
Say see you later.
Later, bye-bye.